Hello everyone, welcome back to Wonderland's Diaries. This is the Nilgiri Mountain Railway, popularly called the Toy Train. It runs between Mettupalayam and Ooty, passing through Coonoor. Woke up in the clouds, slow morning, misty hills, and Coonoor doing what it does best, healing quietly.
உன்னை எண்ணி பார்க்கையில் கவிதை கொட்டுது அதை எழுத நினைக்கையில் வார்த்தை முட்டுது ஓஹோ கண்மணி
Some places don't need plans, just presence, where the air smells like tea leaves and time forgets to rush.
உன்னை எண்ணி பார்க்கையில்
Save this video for your next trip and comment if you have visited this place. Thanks for watching. Do follow Wonderland's Diaries for more travel stories. Bye bye.